When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes. With me, Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare kanda Bachali. This is one of the famous and traditional recipe in the Kartika Masam. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Initially, take 1 cup of soaked tamarind water and add into cooker. Add little water. Add little amount of salt, turmeric powder. Take 1 cup of chopped yam and add into cooker. Mix it once. Cover it lid and cook it for 3 whistles. Once boiling is done, transfer into a bowl. Take 1 blender, add soaked mustard seeds. We need to soak for 10 minutes. Add green chilies. Add ginger and make it into a smooth paste. Now take kadai, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add cumin seeds. Add white urad dal, mustard seeds and chana dal. Now add turmeric powder, red chilies. Add curry leaves. Now add 1 cup of finely chopped Malabar spinach. Now add prepared paste into this and give a quick mix. Add little amount of salt. Add little amount of jaggery and combine everything. Now add little amount of water. Now add boiled yam pieces into this. Under low flame, cook for 10 minutes. Now smash these yam pieces with the help of the smasher. Now switch off the flame and transfer this into a serving bowl. That's all, kanda Bachali curry is ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare steamed egg curry. Don't miss it. When we upload videos, for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.